Hi everyone. Today being Sunday, I decided to pursue on my learning and how to make my algo. Remember, I was trying to make one Excel-based algo. So today I continued on that, and last time where I left off. So today I continued on that, made the Excel-based algo, and made out how to download the data from the data source to Excel, then update it, and then let my Excel programming do the thing. This is more of a test of logic. So this is how it is going right now. I have downloaded. I put this up in. I put this up for test on Ethereum. So this is all downloading Ethereum data from Yahoo Finance, and this is just to test my algo. I put it up on a 1 minute time frame so that we can we'll have more of it and see how it works. So I'm trying to put it up for 180 minutes, so that's 3 hours. So it's been quite some time since it has gone through and it is working fine. It will get updated automatically. See, it got updated, and will keep on showing my PNL as well how it goes through. Right now it is in a drawdown of 14,970, so drawdown of little bit of 30 rupees or so. Previous to that it was in a profit of 29 rupees. Right now the last trade went wrong around 22 rupees, so then it has come down to 49.70. So let's see how it goes. But the logic, what it was, the logic is correct. It's working well, and it is doing well. So I think I'll continue with this. So it started off at what time? I had prior to that I had to do a lot of testing to figure out where it is. It's 10:29 a.m. as per Yahoo time for Ethereum in the US time. So from there it started off, and after a couple of trades it started giving profit 15,086. Then again it started dipping, came up, dipping, and then right now it is gone negative. So let us see how it goes. 1 minute is actually pretty short time frame, but to check whether the things are working or not, whether my algo that I've made is working or not, I think this is good. So this is more of a test of this, and here it shows that yeah, it's been working. Yeah, see, updated. So yeah, looks to be good. So once this thing stabilizes, after this, maybe hopefully by next week, I'll be able to figure out how to get data for our NSE stocks, how to integrate my broker account in this algo, and how to get that data into Excel, and then put it up over here so that I get signals over here. And these signals I need to again get it back into my algo, and then from algo it should go to my broker account. And the logic basically would come from here. So it should more or less mirror these things. So let's see if in a week or so I'm able to do that or not. If it happens in a week or so, nothing like it. I'd be happy to see. Chalo. Good productive day, productive actually 2 days, weekend as well, because I've been working for after market hours, after market closes. I to look into this, did a lot of reading, and just for writing this, this few lines of code, it takes such a long time, so much of reading, so much of understanding, and we get stuck at why it is not going through, or what's wrong with the syntax, what's wrong with the logic. So understanding that and getting that takes a lot of time. So, but anyway, productive week, and good use of this days, Saturday, Sunday. So happy about it. Hopefully, by next week, I should be able to progress it further, take it down to our Indian stock market, and get data and test the result over here. So, chalo, all the best, and to myself, yeah, of course, and happy trading to you all. Bye.